Are you seeing this, guys? So look at this right now. You can see Bitcoin 1.8%, Ethereum 4%. There's a little bit of red going on right now, following off how we actually closed yesterday's weekly candle. As you can see, we closed with a ginormous rejection to the downside, which obviously really bullish, okay? But you have to take it with a grain of salt. And why am I saying that? Well, it's simply because you can see here that, yeah, we are respecting the 0.236. However, we haven't really tested the 382 that well. And typically, you want to test the 382, find support on the 382 around this level, and then generally start either coming down, bounce off the 618 and start forming higher highs, or maybe even coming down to the to the 1 fib. Okay, I don't think the 1 fib is going to happen. 9744. There's a lot of confidence going there. We do have a CME gap close around that level as well, so there's a lot of confidence going there. Okay, I have been learning fibs for you guys, literally. I'm spending a lot of money on courses learning fibs, and obviously they are working for me because they actually are helping me out with the overall trend direction and things. But you can see here the weekly has just crossed death cross, massive death cross. Am I saying that to scare you guys? No. Why? Well, because look, this is the doji candle. Okay, if it was just like this, straight up, and then like a wick like that, showing like a massive rejection to the downside, then this would actually send us upwards because it shows a massive rejection. However, this could have just been due to the whole Ukraine-Russia scenario, and where we are right now could just be a whole nother level. Maybe we should be trending in this direction naturally. That's why we actually came back to this point after the big dump with the invasion actually going on. You can see here on the daily candles that we actually got rejected from these levels at 39k, pushing to 40k, literally pushing very close to 40k, even over 40k at some point, and then obviously dropping down significantly. So where are we going to trend right now? To see this direction, we can currently kind of see that we want to come and go and test 36k again, maybe flip it out for even stronger support before making our way upwards again, or maybe even lose support then, start finding our way back down to 33k. That's also a massive possibility. Okay, we can see that actually happen. You can see that we actually just got a little wick down to 34k with the invasion, so maybe that's showing us a little signal saying maybe we should actually come down to retest this area again. Okay, if you guys are enjoying this content, by the way, smash the like button, because we are getting a lot more views on Bitcoin videos now, which is very nice to see, because it shows me that you guys do enjoy the content and my trend analysis is actually working for you guys. I do try and make it as simple as possible, really. Like, genuinely, this is the realest TA you guys probably ever find. I'm not just saying that just so that you guys watch me more. Like, I genuinely believe that you can't find better TA than this. And I'm saying that simply because I was taught from the banks. So I know exactly where to trade, how to trade, what to look for as the best support. So, like, for example, when I go to the 4-hour time frame right here, you can see 3 soldiers coming up. But the people would actually start to think, okay, this is the start of a bull run, let's start taking long trades. When really, that's not what the banks do. That's what the 90% do. Right here, I'm looking for a sell trade going against this resistance right here, with 3 candles going to upside, forming a bull flag with multiple rejections to the upside and to the downside. So it's like a little heart line of the channel, so we can actually fall to the lower side. Okay, you don't want to be taking long trades in this market. Yeah, I know we do trade support and resistance. I always say that to you guys. I stress that a lot because winners have to trade both the ups and downs. However, in this market right now, you can't make money doing both things. You have to either pick one and choose and stick with it, especially with this volatility. And right now, for me, it's easier to short a market. And why is it easier to short a market? Well, it's very simple. All it takes is selling pressure. And when people see selling, more people sell. Okay. When it's buying, people start thinking it'll probably come down a bit more. I can wait. People can wait when the market's going up for little dips. When it's selling, it's very psychologically damaging for a lot of investors, especially the newbies who enter into the markets early. They're like, oh wow, I put this in there. They get embarrassed. They don't know who to tell that they lost money to. They start selling. They think maybe taking $100 loss is better than taking $1,000 loss. That's how you think. That's how emotion gets you. It's how banks get you. So it's much easier to push a market downwards into your take profit. It's very easy in comparison to actually your profits going upwards. So like you need a lot of volume and momentum to push a market up. But as of right here, you can see a very clear trend to the downside. If we do actually get rejected from this candle right here, from this EMA, I will be taking a short trade. I really will. That's on the hourly. What I'd really like to see right now is a 15-minute time frame EMA like switch over. but obviously that's not going to happen because we had it up here, as you can see. That's why the EMAs are so far apart on the hourly. So I do kind of want to see these angle to the downside. This big engulfing candle right here, that is a nice engulfing candle. It takes out all previous 5 candles right here, and literally closed above the green EMA as well. So that is signifying a potential bullish move to maybe the upside, or maybe test this resistance right here, which is perfectly fine. We can do that. And if we do that, then of course I need to adjust this very slightly. Maybe moving it up to here. Yeah, I think I'll leave it like that actually. So maybe we will actually get a little touch of these upper level. We can see a channel within the channel right here, can't we? So we can see here. Maybe we're going to push to the upper side of this channel. Find maybe a shorter time frame double top. Come up here. Come back up here. Poke our head higher a bit, and then start working our way down. That is also a possibility right now, especially with the market's about to open. Well, not about to open, but they will be opening today, and we can actually see a better influence on what's going to happen in the overall markets, the overall direction of the stock markets, because we have seen that they actually have been on a rise. You can see here, they actually have been on a pretty big rise on the Friday candle close. That is a massive pump, you can see. That was obviously off the news of the sanctions being imposed, so that people are obviously happy that there's not going to be a big intervention from the US. So you can see here we had a big, massive rally from there. I think that must have been at least a 6-7% rally. I can't actually exactly show you because, yeah, it's really annoying. The ruler's right there. But yeah, that's what we're actually looking at right now. You can see that it's beautiful, massive pump right there. Will that reverse today? Potentially, with Russia saying that they looking at using nuclear weapons if anybody tries to intervene. So that anything can actually happen right now, guys. But you can see here there's a clear indication that we do have a pattern right now of forming these similar bear flags and dropping out, rising wedges, dropping out, rising wedges. We did have a fake out there, but look here, we came to downside, fake out here, and can potentially come to downside. So overall, we are winning in our trades. That's how we stay winning in our trades, guys, because each trade we target over a 1-to-2 ratio. So we can win literally 40% of our trades and always come out profitable. We can even win less. Some of our trades hit 3.6%. So that so just by winning one of those trades, we've gained ourselves 3.6 free trades. So that's how you stay winning in the market. And it's my birthday today, so I want to say to you guys that I'm going to extend this bonus. So I'm going to edit this right now in front of you guys, okay? And I'm going to make it $34.99. And whoever gets in will get this prize for lifetime. And you get one-to-one calls with me, every single thing you can imagine, exclusive YouTube videos for you guys. You get every single thing like this at this price. So you get one-to-one calls, you get exclusive YouTube videos every single day. I mean, like every single day. One-to-one calls, like I said. You get literally elite Discord, you get crypto news, everything like that you can imagine that you need to become a better trader to learn every single day. That's what you get, and it's $34.99. So make sure you snag that up, guys, because that will be really good for you guys to get. But yeah, that's all for Bitcoin today, guys. Not too long of a video, but if you did enjoy the video, I'd really appreciate if you guys would smash that like button. It does support the channel and lets the algorithm do its thing. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Peace.